Hi everyone, here we've got a GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, and actually all we have to do is simply open the recents, and you can do it using this square icon if you've got the navigation bar with buttons just like me, or if you've got the gestures you will have to swipe your finger up very gently from the very bottom to the middle of the screen, and then the recents should appear. So let me enter the recents, and as you can see here we've got the full list of all previously opened apps. If you'd like to close only one of it, then find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, actually you have to go to the very left and tap on clear all. As you can see, we just got back to the home page, so let's enter the recents again, and here we've got no recent items, so it means that we just successfully closed all running apps. So actually that's all. This is how to close background apps in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.